Hello, I'm Emily Campbell, and today I'm going to be comparing and contrasting the two desktop environments of Gnome and the KDE desktop environment. For the overview, both desktop environments are for Linux. Gnome started in 1999, and its philosophy was to be streamlined and easy to use. KDE started in 1996, and its design philosophy was functionality and features. With the similarities, they both follow the Linux philosophy of free and open source software that is easy available to the community, and both are designed to be complete desktop interfaces without reliance on command line interface. Neither desktop interfaces include advertisement type product searches, and both are supported by many popular distributions, GNOME being the default for Ubuntu. For the differences in the user experience and the complexity, Gnome has a consistent and stable interface. It has user-friendly tools, and the workflow of GNOME 3 was altered to create a more clutter-free desktop. And I believe they did that with kind of hiding all the applications until they were needed for a certain task. KDE has a wide variety of configuration options, and the navigation of these can be difficult for newer users, so there is a bit of a learning curve with that. GNOME experienced users may find options to be limited. GNOME is a bit more beginner user friendly. It has advanced options, but buried in the settings. And then KDE is kind of a Swiss Army knife of the desktop environments and can do a lot of different things. The differences in appearances, the color scheme, Gnome being more dark gray, orange, and purple, and KDE tends to be more blue and gray. In the design, Gnome usually has the toolbar at the top and 4 large applications icons to the left of the screen. KDE, the menu is similar to Windows, upfront shortcuts to many options, and can quickly tweak the size of panels. Some fun facts about the two is GNOME was originally an acronym for GNU, Network Objective Model Environment. It was dropped because it no longer fit the project design principles. GNOME 3 met with some widespread criticism. It wanted to expand to tablets, which led the project dropping certain desktop-only functionalities. KDE originally stood for a cool desktop environment. Now the K doesn't really stand for anything. It's just K, desktop environment. The KDE community also has a mascot. The mascot is a green dragon named, I believe it's pronounced, Konki. And Konki also has a friend named Katie, and she's also a green dragon. The forum mascot was Gandalf the Wizard. So in conclusion, it both seems like great softwares, both aim to do something similar, provide all-in-one desktop interface. And that GNOME is a little bit more, again, beginner user friendly. It's a little bit more easy to use, and KDE is a beautiful and versatile and has great graphics and design to it. So both of these are great to use, and I enjoy learning about both of them. So thank you so much.